Hi, I'm Pavanatri. Let's know about the climate of India. India is one of the most beautiful places on the earth. India has a great geographical extent. Its lands spread from snow-covered ranges of Himalayas in the north and vast Indian Ocean in the south. There is a great Indian plain in the central is known as Indo-Gangetic Plain, hot third desert in the western part, and highly rainfall hills in the eastern part. The location of India from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Its northernmost point is known as Indra Col in Kashmir and southernmost point is known as Pygmalion Point or Indra Point in Nicobar Island, which is located at 6 degree 45 minute north latitudes. While its western part is Run of Kutch and eastern part is Arunachal Pradesh, which is almost 2933 km, and from north to south is 3214 km. Now the climate of India depend upon the temperature, rainfall, atmospheric pressure as well as direction of winds and its velocity. The climate is largely influenced by latitudinal extent, relief, aerial distribution of land and water. Now, the Tropic of Cancer is passing through the center of the country in the north of Indian subcontinent and separate the rest of the country from Asia. Himalaya is a great mountain ranges as a result of which the cold air from Central Asia could not be enter India during winter. The climate of India is influenced by large number of geographical factors. Number 1 is location and latitudinal extent. As we know, the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and tropical of Cancer is passing through center of the country. Now, the northern part of the country is cooler than the southern part of the country because the southern parts lies between Tropic of Cancer and equator. So the sunlight falls more on this part and make it hotter during summer. Number 2, distance from the sea. Now those places which is near to the sea, that is Mumbai, Goa, Kanyakumari, Cochin, Madras, these places having moderate temperature, but those places which is far from the coastal plain having very hot or too cold. Example, the places lies in the interior part of the country, that is Punjab, Delhi, Agra. These places having very hot winds in summer, that is Loo, and very cold in winter season. What if we go to Mumbai, Goa, Konkan, Madras, Kolkata? These places do not suffer extreme climatic conditions because their temperature is neither too hot nor too cold throughout the year. The Himalayan mountain ranges. These mountain ranges separate the India from rest of the Asia and also protect from bitterly cold and dry winds from Central Asia during winter and also act as a physical barrier for rain due to southwest monsoon. Fourth part is the physiography of India. The places located at high altitude have cool climate even though they are located in the peninsular India, that is Uti. In other words, the Himalayan ranges are much cooler than the places located in the Great Plain of northern India. The southwest monsoon winds from Arabian Sea strike almost perpendicular to Western Ghats and cause heavy rainfall in the west coastal plain and western slopes are almost dry, which fall in the leeward sides of the Western Ghats, having low rainfall. One more example, in Meghalaya, Mawasiram is a place which receives highest rainfall in the world, almost more than 1200 centimeters of average annual rainfall. While in Rajasthan, Jaisalmer, the annual rainfall is rarely exceed 10 degree centimeter. Taro in Garo Hills may sometimes receives much rainfall in one day as received by the Jaisalmer in 10 years, which means Jaisalmer having very low rainfall and the Garo Hills having very high rainfall. Next is number 5, the monsoon winds. These monsoon are seasonal winds which reverse their direction of flow with the change of season. They flow from land to sea during winters and from sea to land during summer. This is also known as seasonal winds. Number 6 is tropical cyclones in India. These tropical cyclones originate in the Bay of Bengal. Some cyclones are born during the retreating monsoon season in October and November, influence the weather condition along the eastern coast of India and destroy the eastern coast during October and November, such that is Odisha and other neighboring states. And other tropical cyclones originate at Arabian Sea. They influence the larger part of peninsular India near Gujarat and Run of Kutch. Number 7 is the western disturbances in India. These western disturbances originate over the Mediterranean Sea and travel eastward under the influence of westerly jet stream. These jet streams is responsible for bringing western disturbances from the Mediterranean Sea region to the Indian subcontinent. During winter, rain and heat storms in the northern part of plains and occasional heavy snowfall, lightning, thundering in hilly region caused by these disturbances. These disturbances is also responsible for the cold waves in the whole northern part of the plains, that is Punjab, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Next is El Nino effect. El Nino is a narrow warm current which occasionally appears off the coast of Peru in December. This current is responsible for the widespread floods and droughts in the tropical region of the world. Sometimes it becomes more intense and increase the surface water temperature of the sea by 10 degrees Celsius. This warming of tropical Pacific water in the ocean affects the global pattern of pressure and wind system, including the monsoon winds in the Indian Ocean. It is believed that the severe droughts in the year of 1987, 2009 and 2014 in India due to the caused by El Nino. Next is La Nina. After El Nino, the weather conditions return to normal. This condition is known as La Nina. Sometimes the trade winds become so strong that they cause abnormal accumulation of cold water in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean region. This event is known as La Nina. This La Nina causes hurricanes and tornadoes in this region, but it also affect to the Indian monsoon, which is good news for India. This increase the effect of monsoon, which is useful for the paddy cultivation. Some other examples of climate: the temperature in December at Dras in J&K is minus 40 degrees Celsius, while the temperature Chennai is 22 degrees Celsius. One more example: the temperature of Barmer in Rajasthan exceed 50 degrees Celsius during June, but the temperature of Pahalgam, Gulmarg in Kashmir at the same time is less than 22 degree Celsius. Thank you for watching. Please write your suggestions.